Hi, I'm Johan Magnusson with Alfresco Grills, and I'm here to share with you today Alfresco's amazing drop-in indirect roasting pod. The Alfresco Indirect Roasting Pod insert allows you to create delicious slow roast and can also be used in conjunction with a smoking system for a perfect combo. So let's first talk about how to start up your roasting pod. The roasting pod creates additional air gap between food and heat, which allows for excellent slow roasting. It conveniently holds a drip pan for self-basting, bringing out true slow roast flavor. So what you want to do is use the adjacent burner or burners to create convection heat, which is hot air that circulates inside the grill, creating the perfect environment for roasting meat. You can also smoke and roast by using the smoke and herb infusion system together with a roasting pod. Fill the drip pan with veggies and broth to give the roast a deeper flavor and keeping it moist. Make sure that you keep the grill hood closed when using the roasting pod. A good tip when roasting is to check and baste your roast frequently, using a little bit of broth in the pan to keep the veggies from burning and keep your adjacent burners on low. Make sure that the roasting pod is completely cooled when you begin the cleaning process, wiping with a soft, damp, soapy cloth and rinsing with warm or hot water. If your roasting pod is particularly messy, perhaps with oil or grease, use a multi-purpose cream cleanser and apply with a soft, damp cloth, then rinse with water. Now, if you're dealing with stubborn dirt or burnt-on grease, you can use a nylon scouring pad with the cream cleanser. Never use wire wool pads unless they're made of stainless steel, and remember to never use harsh abrasives, scouring materials, wire brushes, scrapers, or contaminated scouring pads. Make sure you wipe along the grain direction of the stainless steel and the grades rather than across it, and if needed, dry with a soft towel after cleaning. I really hope that these details will help you to quickly get up to speed with using your Alfresco drop-in indirect roasting pod. I'm Johan Magnusson for Alfresco Open Air Culinary Systems. Happy cooking!